to our special edition of This Week at Pearls for Monday, April 27th. We are a special assignment for the big open house event on Thursday, April 30th.
Rooms will be open from 6:30 to 8 p.m. If you know a family interested in Pearl, invite them to join this special behind-the-scenes tour at 5:30 p.m.
I am outside the kindergarten classroom. We are here to interview some of the students about the baby chicks. Let's see how close they are to hatching and maybe ask them to share about the life cycle.
I'm here with Alvin. So when are the baby chicks gonna hatch?
2 more days and 21 more days.
What's in there, Raya? How many eggs are in there? Yeah, that's so cool.
Hi Gigi, did you make one of these life cycles?
Yeah, please. This is how it has.
Next up is first grade, where they have this amazing art wall based on picture books they have read. My favorite one is Why Do We Celebrate Veterans Day? And they made this based off of it.
I think my favorite was the beautiful sun art based on Summer by Alice Lowe. I can see future artists in these drawings.
Next up is second grade, where they have their insect reports. What insects do you guys have?
I have a goldenrod crab spider. I have a monarch butterfly.
Okay, and what flowers do they like?
A goldenrod flower. A monarch butterfly likes milk.
Here is Diego and Benjamin's beautiful insect creations. Diego, what's yours?
A blue-bottled tarantula.
And Benjamin, what's yours?
A buffer cricket.
Next stop is across the way in third grade classroom, where they are studying about different countries around the world. We asked them to give us a sneak peek on some of their kite projects. Hi Santi, what did you do?
I did the Netherlands.
And what's something interesting about the Netherlands?
Some people don't use vehicles that use all gas, and they mostly use bikes to travel around.
That's cool.
Cool Hat Easton, where is it from and what is it?
Greenland. It's from Greenland because that's where the Vikings lived.
I am outside fourth grade, where they made some fun California-themed games. I asked a few students to share their projects.
Hey Gregory, what did you do your project on?
The gold rush, and where you get to gain gold or lose gold from the cards here, and you can store it in a little bag.
That's cool.
Okay, I am with Luke, and so what did you base your game board on?
My board game is based on the California missions.
Okay, so how do you play it?
You play it like Chutes and Ladders.
In fifth grade, they drew some portraits of famous Americans in the U.S. history. Let's see if we can guess some.
Oh, is this Amelia Earhart?
Yes, she was the first woman to fly across the Atlantic.
That's a tricky one. I think it's from the Civil War.
Yes, he is from the Civil War. He's a slave and he wrote the North Star.
Ooh, I think it's a president, but we need a hint.
Yes, the hit is he's named after a plant.
Bush.
Last, we visit our sixth grade room, where we have a lot of fun projects to check out. This year, we are encouraging everyone to take a hero's journey as they explore our classroom.
You will get to participate by creating your own journey by making your own hero choices, and then complete your journey with a fun Scoop mystery game that the students created. Sports action, let's take it to Dom to report on Division B baseball.
In the B division, it was an all Bulldogs showdown against Bulldogs number 1, faced off on Saturday against Bulldogs number 2. Cruz, Alexander, and Hendricks each went 1 for 2 with base hits for the Twos. Alexander also scored a run in the final inning to narrow the score. For the Twos, Luke, Jonathan, and Jet also went 1 for 2. Luke and Jet also had an RBI. Defensively, Luke had 6 putouts at first base, and Jet tailed with 1 assist from shortstop. It ended up being the closest game of the season, with the ones getting the win by a score of 5-3. Home Run Hall of Fame this week goes to Micah, Bo, and AJ in the Big Ten division. Sorry, no picture of AJ, but he's on my Oregon Duck team, so I can verify it's real.
Birthday shoutouts to Elle this week.
Happy birthday!
Next, let's take it to our first grade meteorologist.
Hi, I'm Caleb. And I'm Shasha. And we are meteorologists. This week is going to be warmer, with temperatures in the high 60s to low 80s. So remember to put on your sunscreen and stay hydrated. Bye. See you next time, alligator.
We hope to see everyone this Thursday night for open house. This is Luna
And Faith.
signing off for This Week at Pearl. Bye!